Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Colbalt skin in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one's got a really cool looking head mask. So we're gonna start out with his eyes first. We're gonna come in toward the middle and just draw in two little lines like this first. And then on each side, we're gonna go up. And once you go up, we're gonna come back down here. Just another big bracket. And then once you curve down, we're just gonna connect these, and these should kind of slant up or slant down. And then once we have this area, it's kind of like an eye socket, and we're gonna draw on the inside. This part's kind of glowing, so it's kind of cool. It's gonna be two circle. All right, and then once we have this, now we can draw in the face. So come to the side here. Just gonna draw in almost like just like a slight bracket with a little bit of curve. And then come into the middle. You make a little dot, and then we're just gonna connect those. And then once we have that, we're gonna draw in the top. So we're gonna go up all the way to the top of the forehead. Alright, so it's kind of a tricky shape to draw. Now we're gonna draw in the bottom, so we're gonna start on the side here. Just kind of come down to the jawline, and then we're gonna taper it in more. And we'll close it off for his chin. Alright, so that's the overall head shape, and now let's add in some detail. Let's start up here, and it's just gonna be two little dots. So I'm just gonna draw two lines like this first. And then once you have those two slants, just make rectangles out of them. Okay, and then on the bottom here, draw one line for his nose. And then we come straight down the middle here, just draw a little rectangle. Okay, and then on the side here, just kind of follow those two lines, that little angle, and then come down. So same thing here, just follow that outside line, down. And let's see, let's add a little bit of detail here for his, kind of have something around his ear. So just draw like a little bracket. And then from there, we're just gonna draw another line all the way around his head. So these are almost like, kind of like headphones, I guess. Let's go all the way around. Okay, so that's his head, and it's definitely very cool looking. So now let's come down to his body, and he's got a really thick neck. So we're gonna start right here. Just kind of come down. And then we're gonna come down kind of straight. And this is gonna be the inside of his vest. And then come across. On the side here, come out. And so we're gonna finish up his vest. So now we're gonna come down. This is gonna go down all the way down to his waist. And then close it off. And then just to show where we are, just come down a little bit more. This is gonna be his waist. Close it off, and then for his belt, just one section. And then for his belt buckle, we're just drawing two lines. Okay, and there's some more details in here, but let's go ahead and finish up his arms first. Okay, so here's the armpit. Just draw one line. And then here's the shoulder. Just round it, come down. Nice and big. And then here, bracket for the biceps. And then for this one, we can actually just close it off for now. Okay, and then for the lower arm, flare out, curve down, and this one's gonna come down, close it off. For his fist, little hook, back of the fist, turn it, close. Okay, so same thing on the other side. So here's the armpit, shoulder, bracket for the bicep. Close that off. And then lower arm, flare out. And use the other side for reference so you don't have one arm longer than the other. Doesn't have to be exact, but as long as you get it close, it'll be fine. Close it with a slant, and then same thing here. Little hook. Back of the fist. Turn, close. Alright, so now that we have the overall shape, let's come back up here and add in some details. So for his neckline here, he's got some details. Drawing two lines like this first, coming in, and then come down toward the middle, and then just close that off. Alright, and then on the vest, let's draw in this little pouch here. It's almost like a little square, and then just divide it for the little flap. And then down here, he's got one bigger one, and it's at an angle. So just draw a rectangle right around here. And same thing here for the flap. And we can add in a little button if we like. Okay, and it's got one more here, a smaller one. And same thing here for the flap. And he's got one kind of a strap going all the way around here, and it's gonna go over this line here, this little vest line. So from here, we're just gonna go across, curve it up toward the shoulder. So this part gets a little bit messy. So now you just have to erase out that little corner there. And let's add in a little buckle here. And continue this line, just kind of go all the way to the vest, to the side of the vest. Okay, so yeah, it's a little bit messy, but it should look better once you erase out that line. And then for the shoulder here, just slant down, same slant, and then just go all the way down to the elbow area. Come down, and then one straight line. So he's got different kind of paddings on his arm. Okay, so now let's move on down to his leg. So right in the middle, curve, and then one more curve. Start on the outside here. Down, angle. And then it's got some knee pads here. For his knee pad on the side here, just come down and then round it off on the bottom. Okay, so let's move on to the other side first. Angle, down, angle. Close it off, and then same thing for the knee pad. Two lines and then round it off on the bottom. And then lower leg is very simple. Flare out, curve in. This one's almost straight down. Close it off, and then for his shoe, curve, come out a little bit more on this side, close it. And since we're down here, it's got some bars here, so I'm just gonna draw two long rectangles. Okay, so same thing on the other side. Out, curve, and this one's almost straight down. Close it. Curve, dome shape, go out more, this side, close it. And then same thing here, just gonna draw two bars. Almost look like claws on a shoe. Alright, and then for some paddings up here, from the hip, just draw two lines going in. And then just follow the leg, just come straight down. And then we're just gonna go back out. And he's got some pockets here, so this one's easy. We're just gonna draw in a little rectangle on the side. And then we'll add in a little flap. And same thing on the other side. Little flap. And he's got a little strap here, so I'm just gonna draw in two lines. And that is it for this very cool looking Colbalt skin in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.